Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, and if you need to find the fuse for the climate control, stay with us, we'll cover that today. You may have up to 3 fuses, make sure you check all 3 of them, guys. We will explain why it's super important to test the fuse even if you think it's a good fuse, and we'll explain how to test it. Make sure to stay until the end, all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have here specifically a 2015 Fiat 500, guys. This specifically is the Abarth, but even if you have the non-Abarth version, it's practically the same. So what we have here that we actually need to check now, guys. If you come, okay, you may have a single zone, dual zone climate control. It really depends on which one you have for your Fiat, guys. But let's explain now. If you come right here, okay, under the dash, okay, that's under the dash, guys, and if you look, okay, we're going to have the fuse box, okay. Fuse box will be located, okay, let me show you, right here in the corner, okay, that's the fuse box. So the first fuse, guys, okay, that we'll need to check is known as fuse number F36. This is a 10 amp fuse, and if you come from top to bottom, 1 2 3 4 5, a 10 amp fuse, guys, that's the one that you need to check. Okay, then you have 2 more fuses, guys, after that, and the second fuse is known as a fuse number F51. In our case it's a 5 amp fuse. F51 is the 3rd fuse on the right side from top to bottom. This fuse right here, you need to check that fuse too, guys. Also you have another fuse, okay, for the climate control, okay, as well, and this is known as fuse number F31. Okay, and in our case it's a 5 amp fuse again. That's the 2nd fuse from top to bottom. I'm talking about this one here. Now you can easily just pull them out, check them, but I'll always recommend to pull the fuse and test them, guys, because you may think you have a good fuse, but you may not be able to clearly see the element that it's burned, and by testing it you'll be able to tell 100% if it's working or not. We're going to put a link to a video that explains how to test a car fuse in the description of the video below. Once you test it, you'll know if it's good or bad. If you need to buy a whole fuse box, fuses, guys, replacement fuses for the price of just a couple of fuses, I will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.